We're going to retrofit this grid fixture here from a fluorescent T8 lamp to a LED T8 lamp. The reason we're going to do this is we're going to eliminate the ballast and we're going to use 40% less energy and we're going to convert to LED. Here's how we're going to do it. First thing, we're going to have to change the sockets. So we have 3 non-shunted sockets because this is a 3-tube fixture. So we're going to take a wire that we robbed off of one of the ballasts. We're going to connect it into the left side of the socket, and we're going to connect that one to the left side of the next socket, and we're going to connect another wire from that side, the left side, to the other left side. So here we have just the left sides are connected. Left side to left side to left side. Let's do the same thing with the right side. We have a wire going from the right side of the socket to the right side, and another wire going from the right side to the other right side. The reason we're going to do this is because we're going to bring the positive wire and the negative wire directly to the sockets. So we're going to remove the lamps.
Excuse me.
Remove the ballast cover. Let's disconnect the black wire and cover it back up. And let's disconnect the white wire and cover it back up. And let's cut the wire going from this end, and let's cut the wire coming from that end. And we'll remove the ballast. And let's remove this socket bar. We're going to use this socket bar. We're going to use this socket bar because it's closest to the power. And when we remove this socket bar, let's take these sockets off. And let's put our new sockets on. And let's cut the ballast wire, the positive and negative wire from the ballast. And let's put the positive wire on one side and the negative wire on this side. So take a look at what we have here. We have the positive side, the black wire, is actually going to the left side of the socket, to that side, to that side, and to that side, through this wiring. And the white wire, the common wire, is on the right side of the socket, going to that wire, to that side, and to that side. Okay? So let's fold our wires up, and we'll install this, and we're ready to go.
Okay.
I folded all the wires so it's nice and neat, so we could just put that up. And we you're all wired up, and let's put those lamps in now. So the lamps have an L and an N over here, which is load and neutral. So the positive and negative wires that we connected to this side will go to this side, not to this side, because this side is now just supporting the lamp. So here we go. Oh, you know what? We forgot to put the ballast cover on. Hand me that ballast cover. Now it's no longer called a ballast cover. Now it's just called a wire cover. These lamps are $30 a piece, and BGE is paying my customer $90 rebate for retrofitting this fixture from a 3-tube fluorescent to a 3-tube LED. So it's really costing him nothing at all. And that's it. Thanks for watching. This is Ira Geller from Geller Lighting Supply. Call me with any questions.